All right, so here's what's going on with this game. Okay. Actually, you missed a spot when you were using the broom. Where we are, there. Okay. So what we're going to do is these two are going to act out a scene. Which, can I get a scene, somebody? So just yell it out.
Christmas!
Christmas, okay? Christmas. We're going to go do Christmas. We're staying with Christmas.
A boxing match!
We're staying with Christmas. Okay, so these guys are going to act out a scene. They are brothers. They just got their Christmas presents. They're getting to open them. Yay! Wow. And what's going to happen is this lovely lady right here, KK, she is going to be making sound effects. You guys can talk, so just so you know, you can talk. She's going to be making sound effects. You guys have to react to those sound effects. Okay? Y'all, you get it?
Yeah. Are these the toys?
No. Right here. They're pantomime toys. They're fake toys. So here's this. Speak up. Lawyers are going to have to speak up because of this, okay? All right. Have fun. Okay.
Ready? Yeah. Look what I got for Christmas. What did you get? You did it. You must have been knocked out. Oh, God, remember that? I told you it was Arabian. I told you it was Arabian, and you done brought us out here to India. Yeah, you're Indian. Is that Santa? First, we getting attacked by Santa. Is that what we're going to do? He ain't dead. This toy is so cool. What do you got, dude?
He got a slingshot.
You gotta go outside. You not inside. You gotta bust the hole for a little TV. Dude, you smart. Dude, there's wind coming from somewhere. Is there a window or something open? Where are you going? Now that little attack is on from Santa Claus. Now, back to my present. How come you didn't get one? Why didn't I get anything? Well, we're over here in India because I'm adopted. So, we just got attacked by Santa Claus. Is that somebody at the door? Where is that? It's a oh God, it's a device. It's a bomb. What time is it? Why'd you keep my gift, man? Don't be mad that you didn't get one. I'm treating this. You mad that you took their own. I didn't ask you what you took. You need to take yourself and get a shower. Kill your mic here.
You need some lotion?
No. I don't need any lotion. What? Dude, why are you making noises? It's just your arm. Your donkey. Oh, Rashid! Rashid! Come on, Rashid. Come in. Come on, Rashid. Oh, no! It's not Rashid! Make some milk. They killed my donkey. Hey, I got some cereal now. Goat milk. Goat milk's the best. I can't even fight on my brother. I'm so good. Uh-oh, mom's here. See, you getting in trouble. Don't hide now. No, He didn't clean up, Mama. I told him. Mommy killed my donkey. She's at the door. So what's going on? How come you didn't clean up? You killed my donkey. How come who did? Terrell. Mom, I didn't do it. I swear. Why you kill his donkey? Why you kill his donkey? Mom, I promise I didn't do it. Why you lying on me, man? Now I'm going to the store. I'll be right back. Yes, ma'am. good goat.
What was that?
Door open? We got goat. And I don't think it's the Holy Ghost. You want to check that closet? Go check the closet, man.
What is that, a donkey?
Rashid! He's alive! Praise Jesus! Hallelujah! Praise Jesus! Praise Jesus! Praise Jesus! Don't get mad because I got some milk. Okay, Rashid.
Oh
We're going to get Rashid out of here. No, come on. Get back here. There's that noise again. That's what you get for playing with that Ouija board. I told you.
What's a Ouija?
Yeah, with that spirit. Like evil spirits in here. I like Mario.
Hold on, I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. Daddy told me what to do when this happens.
What do we do? What's happening?
We need to call Abu. We need to call him.
Go get it. Where's your phone? Here, There's phone. Abu, we need you over here. Abu! Abu! Is that you? He's over there. Go get it. Abu! 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 What's up? What's up, Abu? Oh, yeah.
Me and your papa are very good friends.
I had to get that crazy brother out of here. That guy's crazy. I like talking about though. His goat got some good milk.
Donkey tracks.
Huh?
Donkey tracks.
You have a donkey? Yeah, Abu, they're coming again.
Good Lord. I know what to do in these situations.
What do we do?
Get down.
I got, Rashid, you got a donkey? Hey, look, here's Rashid.
He's my donkey. Oh, Rashid. Is that his name? Rashid?
My friend Maurice was supposed to call me.
He is some good.
Oh, Lord.
He was supposed to call me. I'm waiting on him. Yeah. Oh, hello? Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, I'll let you in. Hold on.
Good donkey. Good donkey. It works. Oh, good donkey. Let me see your teeth. Oh, you cut my grass any day.
Now, somebody called me.
Oh, police.
Hey, Abu, how you doing? Well, it's hot over here in Arabia.
You're in India.
Oh, no!
That's easy, my country.
You better save me. You better save me today.
It's what they call the black sun pterodactyl.
What's that? You better save me. Where did those boys go? They called me over here for something. Terrell and Nick. Oh, God, there it is. There it is. My leg is shaking. My leg is shaking.
I got it.
I don't know what's wrong with it.